Hello, can anyone confirm I'm audible to you?
Yes, ma'am. You audible.
Yeah, so today we are going to discuss one of the main concept in Java, which is collection framework. So this is large concept. So we'll start with today. We'll see if we are able to complete it today or will take 2 more days. So first, we'll understand why collection framework came into existence and what is the benefits it is giving to us. So we can see Java collection framework provides various data structures and algorithms that can be used directly. So data structures in the sense, do you know, like anyone have the knowledge of data structures? Like we have in C, what can I say, stack,
Yes, ma'am.
queue, linked list. Yeah, those are called as data structures. So it is collection of data, and there used to be methods for every operation like insertion, deletion also. So there is no need to write complete program. We can directly use the predefined method. So it will make programmer easy to use everything, and the code will be optimized at the same time. So the main advantage will be like we do not have to write code to implement these data structures and algorithms
Hello,
manually.
ma'am. Your screen is not visible, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Finally, you said I thought it was visible. Okay, right? Now it is visible, now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So if I forgot to screen share, you like tell me like I don't start without notepad now. So you tell me in the starting only. So it will be lost for you only. So
Sure,
now
ma'am.
we are discussing why collection framework now. So as I said, it provides data structures and algorithms. And then coming to advantages, we do not need to write code to implement this. So whenever we are using data structures in Java also, we used to implement the interface and then we directly use them. I will show how to do that. So then you will get it. And one more advantage is our code will be more efficient and optimized also. Whenever a programmer writing a program, they want the code to be efficient and optimized. So automatically collection framework is giving these two features to us. So anyways, we will go for it only. That's why now we are discussing collection framework. And one more thing, the collection framework allows us to use specific data structures for particular data type. I will tell you how particular data type. So if we are coming to like yesterday we have discussed arrays now. So I said one of the disadvantages in arrays is like size. So size should be declared at the time of like beginning of the program writing or before compiling program only. So once we compile the program, we cannot change the size dynamically. That is the disadvantage. Coming to collection framework, it will give the flexibility of dynamic arrays, which is changing the size runtime automatically. That is achieved using array list specially. So for that resizable arrays, we are going for array list. And one more thing, when we want to store data in the form of key and value pairs, like the data structure will have unique keys and every key will have the values. So it will be easy to access the values using key. So whenever we are using, we will get particular values. So for that, we have map interface in collection. So like this, whatever the situation, like according to data types and data stored scenario, we can use particular what can I say classes in like interfaces in collection framework. So according to that, we can implement them. So that is the flexibility we have here. So to give a definition to collection framework, we can give as the Java collection framework provides a set of interfaces and classes to implement various data structures and algorithms. So what it is giving set of interfaces and classes, that is to implement data structures and algorithms. And coming to examples, we can take array list, and linked list, set. All those are examples. And coming to collection interface, so I will show the image first, then you will get it. We have the collection framework image like this. So here, iterable is main interface. All the blue things are interfaces and all the green things are classes. All the continuous line arrows are extents and dotted lines are implements. Implements means one of the like class will implement interface and interface will implement interface. That is interface will extend interface and class will implement interface. So you know the difference between implements and extends, right? Or otherwise should I tell now?
No, ma'am.
Yeah,
Please
okay. So
start.
when okay, I will clear this. When we have two classes, so coming to as I said here, green is class now. So when we have two classes, we can extend them like one class from another class will extend. That is called as inheritance. And when we have two interface also, we can extend them. But when we have one interface and one class, we should implement it. So here we see queue is interface and priority queue is class. So this is interface, this is class. That's why we are implementing queue with priority queue. And here queue is interface and DQ is interface. Both are interfaces. We are extending the queue. Here we can see continuous line and this is dotted line. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's clear.
Yeah. Yeah, so now iterable is main interface and which is extended by collection. So we'll always talk about collection framework only. Iterable will be kept aside, like we don't talk that much about it. And main thing is collection interface. And Java don't provide any implementation for this interface, but we will have implementations for the extended interfaces like list, queue and set. So these are the three interfaces which are extending collection. And using this, we have uh, like all these four array list, linked list, vector, and stacker implementations of list. And coming here, priority queue, array queue are implementations of queue. And hash set, linked hash set, tree set are implementations of set. And here in between we have one more interface, that is dq extending queue and starter queue extending set. So we'll discuss like a we'll go like a branch. So we'll complete list first, complete list, and then we'll go to queue and then we'll go to set. So that is the order we are going to follow for clear understanding. So now today we'll discuss list. I think most of the time we'll go for list. So if we have time, we'll go to queue. And coming to list, we have array list, linked list, vector. These are the classes implementing list because list is interface and these are classes. And one more thing here is vector is a class and stack also class. So both are classes. Then here it is extending. So stack is extending vector. So this image is understandable, right? I will share this image in group also. You are clear with image, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we have covered the Java collection interface. Okay, just now I said now this is the collection interface, this one. So that is we have covered, and I will tell the difference between collection framework and collection interface. So whenever we are discussing about collection interface, we are discussing about this image, like these are the three parts of collection interface and all this. And whenever we are discussing about collection framework will have two more also, that is one thing map interface and one thing iterator interface. So including these two, everything called as collection framework. Only list and set and queue is called as collection interface. Got it? I will write here collection interface. So it is discussing about list, set and queue. And collection framework, collection interface plus map interface plus iterable iterator. Okay, iterator interface. Got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So Coming to collection interface, it is only the three subordinates, that is list, set, and queue. Coming to collection framework, it is about everything like what are all. That is collection interface, which means list plus set plus queue plus map and iterator. All the five will be framework. Got it? And then we'll discussing about these things, the overview, what are these interfaces will refer to. Coming to list interface, the list interface is an ordered collection that allows us to add and remove elements like an array, but the thing is it is dynamic, so we can change the size at the time of running also. And coming to set interface allows us to store elements in different sets, similar to the sets in mathematics. What is similar to mathematics is like sets don't allow duplicate elements now in mathematics also. That is also followed here. That is, it cannot have duplicate values. If we add duplicate values also, it won't take. It is for sets. And coming to queue, we also know queue, it is in first out manner and will store the values and access them. We are using for the flexibility, that is first in first out only. You know now queue in data structures we used to have queue will have first in first out manner and stack will have last in first out.
Yes, ma'am. I know.
If you don't know also, it is clear now. For queue, we used to store the data values and access them, and it is first in first out manner. First in first out manner, I will tell. If there is a box, we are putting few things into the box, and if we are like if we put all the things into box, we cannot take it from back now. So we should take like what is the way we have given into the box, and we should take. So that time it will be like what is we are putting, it is last and we are taking it first. Last in first is stack functionality. And coming to first in first out, it is a queue method. If we are going to any shop, who is going first, he will take the material like whatever he required, and only the last person cannot take it. So that is manner first in first out. Who is going first, he will take. Got it? One second, how many people are there actually? Why are you not responding? Seven people are there. Why are you not responding?
Yes, ma'am. Got it. Point.
And next, one of the interfaces map. Map allows elements to be stored in key value pairs. Key value pairs means list of like few keys will be there, and every key assigned with values. So we can access them using key, and every time key is unique. So that will be one of the advantage. We'll get into more when we are discussing with example. When we want to access a value also, we can directly use the key value, like key of the value, so that it will be easy to access. And iterator interface provides methods that can be used to access elements of collections, like iteration through the collection of elements. Like when we are working with normal arrays, we used to use loops now. Like that, here we can use iterator to when we are working with loops, we have the last value, like what is the n value. So we can directly give it and we'll use loops. But coming to collections, it is dynamic. The size cannot be given, like we cannot tell after performing so many operations, the size will be changed. So that time we use iterator. So iterator will have few methods like is it having next, or it is the last element, like that. So many methods are there. So we are using them. This interface is used for iteration purpose. Till now everything clear, like five interfaces are clear. So no doubts till now. If you have doubts, you can ask. If your doubts are regarding examples, I will take you to Eclipse. That time we'll discuss the examples also. So can I move forward?
Yes, ma'am. You can move.
Yeah, collections. As I said, collections will give so many predefined methods, so we can directly use them. They will reduce the level of code writing and time also. We can anyways we are directly using with no need to implement them. We are using the predefined directly, so it is easy for a developer to write the code that time. So these are the commonly used methods I have listed here. One is add. It is used to insert an element to the collection. And one is size, which is used to know the size of the collection. And another one is remove, used to remove specified element from the collection. An iterator, it returns an iterator to access elements of the collection. I said an iteration purpose, so we can access elements of collection through iterator. And add all will be like when we wanted to add one collection to another collection, we can use add all method. And remove all will be removing all elements from the collection and it will be empty then. And clear also removes all elements from the collection. Remove all and clear will be there is a difference, that is remove all the elements of the specified collection from the collection. So if we have collection inside collection, that time we can remove specified collection values using remove all. And clear will be removing elements of complete collection, like one collections all the elements will be removed. And these are the normal like generalized methods. I just wanted to let you know for the knowledge purpose. And now we are going to discuss list. So coming to this image, we can see the first interface is list. So today we are will be covering this list. And list is interface is an ordered collection that allows to store and access elements sequentially, and it extends collection interface. As I shown here, collection is interface, list is interface, list is extending collection. And as it is interface, like we can implement them and we can use in the classes. So what are the classes? Those are implementing list are array list, linked list, vector, and stack. Actually stack is extending vector, automatically implementing list. That's why I'm listing stack here. So first we'll discuss about array list. Array list class implements the list and it is resizable also. As I said, arrays are not resizable, but collections are resizable like dynamic arrays. That is mostly used here. And when we want to replace arrays with dynamic array, we usually go to array list. So, and we can also say array list is implementing list interface. So first we'll see how we like declare array list. So to declare array list, we can go this way. That is, first we should give the array list, which is a keyword in Java. So we should give as this array list, then type. Type will refer what are the like what is the type of data type we are storing in array list, either integer, string, float, double, anything. So type will define that, and then we should give the name of array list, and then new is to allocate the memory, and then array list name. This braces are mandatory, and then we'll give braces. This is angular braces, and this is round braces, normal braces. And if we wanted to create array list for integer, we can directly replace type with integer, and this will be for integers. We can directly replace type with string, and this will be for string. So the operations what we are going to discuss now is add elements, access elements. Accessing means we are accessing particular elements somewhere from the array list, and change the value of elements and remove elements. So we'll discuss this in Eclipse. Let me open my Eclipse and I will create project for today. Till now the theory is like understandable, right? So now we'll do a example, then we'll get everything. Let me create package. If anyone have any doubt, you can ask me. Yes. So we are discussing about list, otherwise array list. So what we'll do is we should create a array list first. So as I said, it is implementing list. We can directly use this way to declare the array. Otherwise, one thing is now I'm doing. As it is implementing list, we can use list here. And now we are going for integer. Name of the list will take mm, names and new for memory location array list. So I will tell you why this error is. So these are the predefined interfaces and classes we are using. So we should import them. Where these will be stored is like in I said now Java will have packages, built-in packages and user-defined packages. So here collection is user-defined package which is created by me, and there are so many built-in which are created when Java is writing. So this list and array list will be present there. So we are using in our own package. That's why we should import them. So see how I'm importing using Eclipse. See import java.util.list is came here in the third line. So the error gone. And coming to array list also. See the error gone now. And now what we'll do first? We'll add the elements. Guys, you are getting the point right. Like if you have any doubt, you can stop me and ask me. No issues. So now we'll add. And how we'll add? We have method add for adding elements. So I will take, we are taking integers, so we'll take number then. Names will be string now. So number dot add. And we can give the value whatever we want to add. I'm taking 10 for now. So if we want to add few more, so I'm copy pasting this. So I'm adding 30, I'm adding 75, I'm adding 56. So for now I'm adding 4 elements. So we'll see we are able to add the elements or not by printing the array list. So what I'm doing, array list is plus number. Its name we should give. And I'm saving it. See, array list is 10, 30, 75 and 56. We are getting the output. How we have added the values. So we are succeeded in adding. That's why we are getting the output. And next what we'll do, we will access. So this is also accessing, but we have access complete array. What we'll do now, we'll access the particular random index value. So how we'll do, I will tell you. So what we'll do, we can directly print the index value, or we can store in another variable and let that variable print. So what I'm doing, value at index 1 will take and plus how will get it by using one of the method which is get. So we should use ArrayList name and then get. We should give the index value where we want to access. I want index value 1. That's why I'm giving 1. So we'll see are we getting the value or not in the output. See, value at index 1 is 30. See, in the array list, the indexing start from 0 as usual as array. So 10 will be at 0 position, 30 will be at 1 position, 75 will be at 2 position, 56 will be at 3 position. So 30 is at 1, that's why we are getting 30 in the output. And next thing what we wanted to do is remove. So how will remove? We'll see. Remove element.
Excuse me, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Is RLF
Is
like
array
exist
I didn't get
double
your.
ended?
Actually, I didn't get you. Some disturbance is there. Can you speak again? Uh, okay, if you are facing any issue, you can check your internet and you can ask me. Uh, so how will remove number dot remove? You can also see we are getting suggestions as it is an ID. So we are getting the suggestions. So what I will do, I will remove element at 2, and we should see after removing what is array list also. So I'm printing the array list also. So after execution, we'll see removed element is at the position 2, that is 75. So here it is also printing removed element is 75, and after removing the array list is like 10, 30 and 56. So we are successful in removing also. And what we'll do, change the value of particular index place. So change value. So how will do this? We directly do number dot we have the method set, and two parameters it will take, that is index value and the value. So I want to replace index value 0 with some 33. So I'm running, I'm saving it, and then we'll see after changing how array list is looking like. So see, here this is the changing. So before changing, array list is like 10, 30 and 56. After changing, it is like 33, 30 and 56. So we are successful with all the operations on array list. Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Yeah, if you have any doubt, you can ask me, no issues.
How to sort the array?
How to sort
Yes. Ascending
array?
order.
Yeah, we'll discuss that in coming examples. Now, we are discussing how to use array list and like declaring basic things. Okay, I will let you know all those also. If you want right now, that's also fine. Is it okay for later?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, fine. Someone is speaking now. Who is he? Like I can't see his name. Can anyone say? Is he in the class right now?
Sorry, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, someone asking some doubt now. What is it? Okay.
My question was like in English.
Okay, what is your question? One second. I just wanted to tell something. That person. So this will be completed now. If I explain now. Someone asking now how to sort it. That is so easy. That's why I wanted to let you know for now. Who is that asking how to sort it?
Line.
Yeah. So coming to actually basically when coming to arrays, we used to sort like arrays dot sort of array name. It is for arrays. I'm letting you know for the knowledge only. This is for arrays, so we should use arrays. Before that, we should import arrays also. Coming to collection framework, we should use collection start sort and the list like whatever the array list or linked list you wanted to sort, you can give here, and it will sort like this. Before sorting, it is 33, 10, 36, and after sorting, 10, 33, 10, 36. It's easy with collections, na?
Yes.
Yeah, with one line. So that's why we are moving to collections. Coming to arrays also, if we don't use any predefined package like this, we should use two for loops and sorting them. So that will be time taking and not optimized code. That's why arrays are playing this efficient role in Java programming. So now what we'll discuss linked list. Linked list also similar to array list, and I will tell that. So it is also, you can see, it is also implementing list. And one more thing, it is also implementing DQ also. Once again, we'll discuss linked list here also. For now, I am giving one of the example for linked list. So when we are going to DQ, once again, we'll discuss here. And for linked list also, first we should take the array, like whatever the collection we want, that collection, like this same procedure, almost same. So I'm taking, this time I will take strings, then string names, and what we wanted to do, linked list. So we need to import, and need to add elements. So what is the name of linked list? That is names dot add. So as it is string, we can see here the string is taking. So I will give my name. So as it is string, we have completed strings class also. As it is string, we should give in quotes. So that is the rule. That's why I'm giving. And one more, two names I will add. So now we'll print the linked list. So now I'm executing this. The list is printing. So here also same operations. We can also accessing is same. I just give one statement. Person at index 2 place. How we'll do this? Can anyone say?
Kushi.
What is the question?
How we'll get the person name at index 2?
Priya, I think.
I'm saying like index 2 now. So we
Get
can
index method.
use get 2. That's it. I'm only directly saying index 2. If I'm saying the person at position 2, that time you should say 1, index 1. But directly I'm saying index 2, no? So that's easy. Don't confuse between position and index. And remove also same as array list. So I can see remove Monica. How I will do? Name star. Remove.
Remove index name
Yes,
position.
0. So we'll see after removing also. That time we'll confirm it is removed. So Monica is removed. So one more thing we have, that is it is you can also perform an array list also. What's happened? So that is index of we can do. We can find index of particular name. So how will do? So we want to find out index of Kushi will take for now. So how it will come?
Name dot index.
Yeah, names dot index
Index
of.
of. I have to pass like position.
Yes, name we should pass. That time we'll get index. So I'm passing Kushi here. So we'll see the output also we are getting or not. Index of Kushi is 1 because Priya is at 0, Kushi is at 1. So we are getting output. And one more thing, that is vectors is there. So vector also same. If you wanted to do, you can. If you want me to tell, I will tell you. You decide now. You wanted me to tell, or you will do yourself.
What is one reverse linked list?
Vector.
What is circular linked list?
And then you are asking question.
Yes, ma'am. What? You
Okay.
said list.
What about circular linked list? And I didn't get your question. Actually, you can say. Could you say it again?
Okay, ma'am, you can continue. Okay.
You are not asking question completely, and you are saying continue. You can say now.
No. Okay.
Okay. So now what I'm saying is we have vector which is also similar to array list and linked list. So we also have one of the disadvantage with vector is whenever one action is performing on any vector. So if another thread, like we have threads in Java now. So if another thread or what can I say, particular process came to vector, it won't allow to access it at the same time to the two processes. So that is the disadvantage is there. That's why vector is not that much popular. We have example, like I would like to give example, but what you say, will you try it or I should tell it now? Can anyone reply? It's a simple question. You will try or I will. You want me to explain? That's it.
Then you explain it.
Okay, fine. That's also fine. You should tell me. That's it. So new class, we are going for vector. So we are doing like this is also correct way. You can do this also. And what I will take here, places. New vector. So we should import it. That's why the error. 1 second. The name is same. That's why should rename it. So you also know there is a refactor option in Eclipse. We can rename the vector like class names whenever we give the keywords. So after that we'll add same places dot add Bangalore Hyderabad. I can print it out using name places. So if we want to add like I will show places dot. We want to add at any particular position, like already we are 0, 1, 2 is done now. So if we wanted to add at 3, so we can use the index name index position, and then we can add the value like this. So it will add at particular index position. So one more thing we'll see, like if we add in between, what will happen also we'll see. So after adding here, we'll print again places, and then what we'll do, we'll try to add at 0. We'll see what will happen. 0 or 1, like in between already existing names. So what I will give there, by. After that also we will print. So we'll see what we'll get in the output. See, first we have added Bangalore, Hyderabad and Chennai. We are getting here. So what we did at the position of 3, we have added Delhi. and at the position of 1 we have added Mumbai. What happening is, at the position of 1 Mumbai is adding, and then after the remaining values are shifted to the right. So we can see Hyderabad is moved to 2 and Chennai is moved to 3, Delhi is moved to 4. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we can also do that, access all those operations you can do. It is also easy now, similar to them. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in next class. Okay, now we'll be moving to stack. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am, it's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, coming to stack, elements are accessed in last in first out manner. If I said, if I said as in, if we are putting few things in the box, we are putting all into that, and when we are taking it, we are taking in the manner of last in first out. That is, which you are putting into the box last, we are getting that only first. That is the like functionality of stack. And elements are added to the top of the stack. So when we are putting, we should insert from the top only, and remove also from top. This is also known. If anyone also not known, you can understand, like consider a what can I say? We are putting in a box some books you take. So we are putting 10 books. So we cannot take that last book directly. We should take from top only. So we are putting from the top only. We are taking from the top only. That is the implementation of stack. And coming to declaration, we can declare like this: stack and type of data which we are storing, and name of stack, and new to the memory allocation. We should give stack name. So it will create memory, and if it is for integer, we should use integer. String, float, whatever the data type, we should that. So coming to main operations like methods in stack, we have push, pop, peek, search, and empty. So push is used to add the elements to the top of the stack, and pop is used to remove the element from the top of the stack, and peek is used to return an object from the top of the stack. And like peek will give top element value. What is the latest element inserted, the value will be given. And search is used to search for an element in the stack, and empty is used to check whether the stack is empty or not. So we'll try to implement these in the example now. Yes. Yes. Stack. We'll take stack example. So now what we'll do is, first we should declare a stack, and then we should add values. Then we'll perform operations from there. So stack will take, we should start with stack keyword, and then first I will use integers only. That will be easy for us to understand. So integers, that is values I'm taking, and now we should use new and then stack. So the error integer, not the error because we haven't imported. So import stack. You can see java.util.stack. So stack is inside Java package. And now what we'll do, we should add. So as I said, for stacks it is not add method. For stacks it is push. So how we'll do that, we'll see. So we have the stack that is named as values, and we should use the method push. So you can also see the recommendation is coming push as it is integer, so that's why it is taking integer. So what I will give some 20, and we'll repeat to add some more, that is 10, 15, 12, 7, lastly we'll take 3. And this is the operation push, which is used to add element to stack. And we'll see we are able to add it or not by printing the stack. So stack is, we should use the name, that is values. I'm saving it. Done. So you can see stack is 20, 10, 12, 7 and 3. It is adding. So we'll see. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now we'll see how to, what is it, second, pop. So as I said, it is last in first out. Can anyone guess if we do the pop operation, what will be get deleted first?
Ma'am, 3.
Yes, that's right. So we'll do it with example. So remove, I'm taking, and then what will do? Values dot pop operation now. So it's pop. So coming to stacks, we cannot delete using index value. As I said, it is last in first out. So every time we should remove last item only. So we can perform only pop. If we want, like, it will automatically print. We'll see what will get, what it is taking in the output. Instead of saying showing output will be useful. So we can see removed 3. So we can also print the stack, what it is looking like after removing. See, 3 is removed. And next operation we are going to do peak. So as I said, it will give the top element what is there at the top position. So we'll directly print peak value start peak. So anyways, we are using Eclipse. It is showing all suggestions every time. Now the peak value is 7. So we can also try to print peak value before deletion, so that we'll get 3 that time. So as it is deleted, we are getting 7 after that. See, before deletion, the value of peak is 3, and as 3 is removed, now the peak value is 7. Got it? And if we wanted to search something, mm, I will take values dot search. I wanted to search, let's say 12. So it should give the position of the value, I think. So we'll see. Yeah, it is telling us where it is. So we are asking for 12, as the index reference. It is at position 2. That's why it is giving us 2. As 12 is at position 2. And one more operation is like empty is there now, as I said here. Search we have completed, peak we have completed, we have empty left. So what we'll do? Values dot empty. So what is the output you are expecting from this empty? It is true or false. So as the stack is not empty, it is showing false. If the stack is empty, it will show the true here. So got it? Everything clear, right, till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, by this, today we are completing this class, and in the coming class, we'll discuss remaining things like queue and set also, and I will come with few more complex examples for next class so that you will get more. These are simple things to understand, like make you understand everything, and
Ma'am,
you can
I
ask.
have doubt.
Yeah, you can ask me.
Yes, ma'am. What is difference between vector and linked list? Because they both are same work.
What?
What is difference between a vector and linked list?
Linked list, vector and linked list now. So vector is similar to array list, but coming to linked list, we have so many operations in this. So as linked list will have single linked list, double linked list, circular linked list. So many things are inside linked list. So I will tell them when we are discussing this queue. I said na DQ linked list also implementing DQ here. You can see this arrow where I'm hovering.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this time we'll get more of linked list, that is single linked list, double linked list, circular linked list. Almost four types of linked list are there in Java. So we'll see all of them here. Got
Okay.
it?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So that time actually vector is not exactly like linked list. It will be most exactly like array list only. So linked list will
Okay.
be different. You will get more when we are discussing all the types of linked list. Yeah. So it's already 6:35. So